Okay, so today is going to be a little long session, and there are four items which are on the agenda, and all of them um, I have realized are very important, and they're pretty new to all of you. So I'll just run through the agenda and then we'll go one by one. So first one is a new topic, so to say, which is called Bali ka Bakra or Kurban Bali ke Bakre या Kurbani ke Bakre. Okay, that is one. Second one is, if you remember, I told you about that Saturn Sun combination where Venus gets hit. So today, actually, a live case. So many cases have happened, but today somebody had come to office and a live case actually came up and it was resolved over there. So I will narrate that entire story to you so you can understand how it works. Third one is I have shared with you all a master template which I've done, which is actually speaking almost like the full grammar till date of LK in that. So I will show you how to read it. Because once you understand how to read it, that one template also, if you can print out and keep on a A4 or A3 size sheet, I think it should serve the purpose. And fourth one is, which is the most important, why actually I've called you today, especially on Monday, is how to, read the Astro Vastu part of it from LK angle. Okay. And how you can actually start analyzing it month to month and sort of initially experience it and make the remedies and subsequently anticipate and then make the remedies beforehand, so to say. Okay. So if there's any doubt at this point of time, unmute yourself or I will go ahead. Huh? So now first topic which is there, which is Bali ka Bakra or Kurbani ke Bakre, basically. What it means in very simple words is, if any planet is going to get affected negatively negatively affected, यानी उसको कुछ चोट लगने वाली है, तो it puts in front some other planet to take the hit. Okay, it is in similar to what comes to my mind is, let us say there are film stars, these big film stars are there. They always walk around with one bodyguard, at least one bodyguard. So if suppose somebody comes running towards them, either to hit them or whatever, this bodyguard will stand in front and take the effect, and the hero is saved, so to say. You understand? So that is Bali ke Bakre. So each planet has at least one Bali ka Bakra. Okay, so when you see the tabulation, you will understand that. But just, okay, let me just share the tabulation for a minute and then we can go ahead. So if you remember this, what I've shown you, ये top right का जो ये है in the template, master template, which is this one. Okay, this last column is Bali ke Bakre, BKB. Okay, so if you just read the first planet and this, so Jupiter का बलि का बकरा केतु है, यानी अगर जुपिटर के ऊपर कुछ बला आ रही है, ओके, केतु विल बी डैमेज्ड. सन को आ रही है, केतु विल बी डैमेज्ड. मून को आ रही है, जुपिटर सन में इट्स फ्रेंडली प्लैनेट जो है, तो इफ यू रिमेंबर, सन मून जुपिटर मार्स आर वन टोली ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. So like this. So Venus का आ रहा है तो Moon का आ रहा है. So if you realize, you realize that Ketu is the maximum hit over here. So if that is, for example, Mercury को कोई धोखा है, तो it will put Venus in front of it. So in a way, if you look at it one way, let us say that Venus is hit. Venus is hit is what? Either that person's skin का problem रह सकता है, या wife related problem रह सकता है, या Venus is also Lakshmi, so पैसे का related problem हो सकता है. Okay, so or any car related items हो सकता है, any luxury items related. So if that person's Venus is hit, instead of curing Venus, you are supposed to do a remedy for Mercury, because Mercury is the source of the problem. Okay, so have you understood this? It's a simple table. There is nothing to calculate over there. ये planet है, इसका बलि का बकरा ये है. Okay. Now, that before I tell you the story, I'll just take example of one planet, and then you'll understand the meaning of that story which I'm going to tell you. So far, so good. I don't think there can be any difficulties in this. Now, for example, Shani. Shani ke Bali ke Bakre are Rahu Ketu. So whenever Shani is going to get hit, it will put in front Rahu Ketu to take the brunt of it. Now, if you remember the Masnui Graha, Rahu Ketu, V for Vamp, V for Venus. So Venus is equal to Rahu Ketu, if you remember. So शनि को अगर मार आने वाली है, तो सामने कौन जाएगा? Venus जाएगा. So now if you remember that rule of LK कि सूर्य शनि के टक्कर में शुक्र मारा जाएगा. So when sun is aspecting Saturn, it is like saying day and night. So when the sun comes up, the night gets finished, no? Darkness gets finished. So basically, when sun is aspecting Saturn, Saturn is going to get hit. So whom will it put in between as a guard? Rahu Ketu, which basically means Venus. So now you will understand the meaning of Surya Shani के टक्कर में शुक्र मारा जाएगा. So Shukar over here, Rashmi, you have to unmute yourself. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Nahi, your voice. I don't think it is plugged in only. What have you plugged it into?
Laptop.
अभी खोलो.
अच्छा, सी इफ यू से दैट इसकी टक्कर में शुक्र है तो राहु केतु को कुछ नहीं होगा कि राहु केतु भी जाएंगे शुक्र.
Rahu Ketu put together is must be Venus. So Venus को मार बैठे. Simple.
दैट आई अग्री, बट देन मसनूई को ही करेंगे, राहु और केतु को इंडिविजुअली कोई असर नहीं होगा.
There is nothing like Rahu and Ketu in your life in a way. Ketu you can say a wife or a dog, you can say Ketu, you can say is your child or whatever it is. Rahu is there is nothing. So basically they join together to make a. It's a rule in LK. It is not my observation. It's a rule. I'm just telling you the interpretation. So now I'll tell you the story. What happened? Okay, now just pay attention properly. One of our builder friends had come over in the morning for some project, and then he was telling a story. A story, what has happened just now. He has a ground plus one plus terrace. Ground plus one plus terrace ka restaurant. He's got an area in Bandra somewhere, which for around 9 years was given to a salon. Okay, which ran very successfully. Then he gave it to a to a party to run as a restaurant. Okay, and they went bankrupt. Those restaurant guys went bankrupt, and they in fact left the place and went even without taking the security deposit. इतना परिस्थिति खराब होता है. Okay, so he was talking. So my wife is actually handling his projects. So she had told me in brief that they had put a dumb waiter. You know what a dumb waiter is? It is an elevator to take your food up and down. Dumb waiter is like a lift shaft, but only where you put the food in and it comes up at a different level. So that is called as a dumb waiter. So when I heard that, I immediately, my mind started thinking. Now just pay attention. The kitchen is on the ground floor. The dumb waiter goes to the terrace. So first thing, before they said anything, I asked them, have you cut the roof? Okay, now just pay attention. When you make a shade in the roof, you're letting the sunlight in. Okay. Secondly, नीचे का जो room बनाया था, I said, was that room totally without any light and ventilation? He said yes. So what they had done is that space which was there, they had carved out another space, built a wall over there, and put a door. So if you open the door, go into the room and close the door, it is completely black because no natural light coming in. So what does that become? Shani. You make a complete hole through it like a Rahu, this thing, and you cut a Rahu capital. You cut a hole in the slab, so you're letting the sun in. So sun is hitting Saturn. You understand? Saturn is that Andhera. Sun is the light which is coming in. So Surya Shani ke takkar mein Shukar mara jayega. So I asked whether he had any problem with his wife during this period. They said, yeah, they split and they got divorced in that time. Second thing is Shukar is money, Lakshmi, wealth. That got spoiled. Third thing I asked them, now just see if you can draw the parallels in this. I said, on the roof, did you make a terrace garden? He said, yes, these hotel people made a terrace garden on top. Now what is that? Just try to understand. 12th house is your chappar. 12th house is the house of loss. Plants are Mercury. Mercury is your business. So you have put your business on the roof, which is the 12th house of loss. You understand? This is how the case was solved. So basically, if you have to, now the new people who come in, I said before they come in, that नीचे का जो डब्बा है, that ground floor पे जो जिसको शनि बन गया है, either you cut a small hole in that side, you let the natural light come inside so it doesn't become shani, or if that is not possible, ऊपर का dumb waiter which comes and opens into the terrace and lets the natural light in, it has to be covered in such a way that only when you open the door ठीक है, but otherwise it is going to be black. So shani to shani आ गया, something like that. You understand? So, you know, two things which seem so very ignorant and innocent for a normal person suddenly becomes astrologically a disaster. कि शनि और सूर्य को dumb waiter डाले. Now in architecture we put dumb waiters here and there, but we never realize that नीचे का मैंने पूरा बंद ही कर दिया है. बरोबर. Second thing is we make terrace gardens, but we never realize कि terrace gardens can be disastrous in a business. Okay, then of course उसका कुंडली मंडली देख के और डिटेल कर सकते हैं, but this without seeing the कुंडली, without visiting the site, without knowing the background, based on these two assumptions, that case got solved. You understand? So this Surya Shani के टक्कर में शुक्र मारा जाएगा is coming. I am seen many cases where this is happening. So basically, if you see, so basically here what I'm trying to tell you is that Shani has to be repaired, not the Venus. You understand? Venus is the symptom, but the source is Shani. Are you understanding what it is coming to? So it is like saying if you try to rectify what is it called, Venus, it is like you are just taking a crossing. ऊपर ऊपर का symptom निकल जा रहा है, पर अंदर से जो तकलीफ है वो नहीं निकल रही है. So you are let's say I always say you are putting lipstick on chapped lips. लिप फटे हुए है, उसके ऊपर लिपस्टिक लगा रहे तो दिखने में अच्छा दिख रहा है, पर अंदर से तो दुरुस्त नहीं हो रहा है वो. So remedy का the basic essence of remedy is this, which we come to at a little later date. Any queries at this point? No. No, Rashmi.
So, Manish, these terrace gardens are not good only. See, Mercury will relate to business, okay? Mercury will relate to health related issues as well. So, in case somebody is having a terrace garden at home, so what will you say, that is it good, or will do something like Mercury related diseases, it will aggravate something like that?
Can come depending on how the Mercury is placed in that person's chart also. Mercury, if you remember, the bad houses are 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
8. Yes, yes.
Mercury in 12th house gives bad result अपने को chart से mark. So Mercury is garden, 12th house is roof. So if you put garden, terrace garden roof, there could be a possibility. Unless your Mercury in your chart is in a very good house. Mercury is in first house, second fifth house, sixth house, seventh house. Mercury is good. उसके घर में रहेगा. जैसे sixth house मीरा है ना, तो Mercury is कुछ का है. But basically this is what it is.
पण मनीष, दुसरा एक पॉइंट असा आहे की तू जी सिच्युएशन सांगितलीस ना, ग्राउंड प्लस
इंग्लिश में सांगते, रश्मि वोंट अंडरस्टैंड. इंग्लिश का हिंदी में बोल, रश्मि वोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
अच्छा. You said that the situation which you tackled, there was a ground floor and a first floor, and on the roof terrace garden was there, so that's why they suffered loss. But as she said, if the terrace garden is at home, it will be at the floor level, not at the chapper level. So will it affect financially?
If there is a terrace garden will always be on the terrace, no?
No, I mean, if there is some open terrace attached to the flat, it will be at the floor level.
That is not a 12th Rashi.
No.
Terrace is you are mixing up. What you are saying, terrace is veranda sort of a thing, बरोबर?
Or a balcony open to sky kind
attached
of
terrace असते ना, open terrace to a flat.
The roof of your house is 12th house, whether it is a pitched roof or it is a flat roof. That
अच्छा.
It is. You see, if you remember 12th house, the Lord कौन है? Jupiter. बराबर. Jupiter is और हवा, आकाश. So 12th house is open, Akash.
Yeah.
So your terrace garden, okay, at your floor level, even if it's coming out, there is a chat on top, so that doesn't become 12.
Yeah.
That will become, now when I share with you the master template, you will understand what direction it comes.
And one more thing, Manish, what are the diseases or what are this thing related with Mercury?
Mercury is basically lungs, breathing, vision. Mercury is vision. So that's why Mercury is vision and Saturn are glasses, ऐसा बोलते हो. That's why Mercury and Saturn are combined that way. So Mercury is vision, Mercury is breathing. हाँ प्रीति बहन.
So Manish, you were going to give us one chart now of this, that sun relates to this Mercury, like just now you said Mercury relates to business and
I think
yes, sir.
I'll share it again. But I think I've shared it with एक PDF share किया मैंने of planets and houses का characteristics करके PDF नहीं भेजा.
नहीं है, because I've saved all your PDFs.
Share it again. I will share it again. So basically, I have made one Word document only, where there are 9 planets का all the Karatattva which we are dealing with now, the new one LK1, and उसके नीचे the 12 houses and each house का छोटा छोटा things like second is Mandir, sixth is Patal, all those things. वो मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा लिखा है which is getting upgraded. I will share it. Maybe I forgot. And one more thing I want to talk about is that 54,000 का thing. I didn't write it in the agenda. The 54,000 का मैंने परसों share किया था ना, options. That is also very important. Okay. Anything else at this point, or we can move on to?
Yes, one more question, please. In this Lal Kitab, we call center 4 houses Bandmuthi. Then we call 12th house Chat. The second house Mandir. Bunyad, Maut ka ghar, Wazir ka ghar, Patal. What about 3 and 5? What is 3, 5 and 11 called?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ specific है. At least I am not aware of that. Basically कैसे है कि
Okay. दरवाजा किसको कहते हैं? घर का दरवाजा.
इसको इसको
घर का दरवाजा. घर का दरवाजा. Which house?
I don't know.
Okay.
But basically the thing is like the stipulated things are second house is the Mandir, sixth house is the Patal.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Seventh house is the Wazir.
Yes.
Okay. And
8th is Maut ka ghar.
8 is Maut ka ghar. So these are some places which are stipulated. As we come along, I'll keep on adding on them. There is
Okay.
when they say sixth, they say Patal.
Hmm.
And other areas are stipulated. For example, like third houses are for the brothers and sisters also, or for the efforts also, or for the expenditure. It is the house of expenditure. इसमें थोड़ा अलग है. 11th house is the house of income, and third house is the house of expenditure. Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I will show you is the master template which I've done, which is like a what I call as a ready reckoner. Ready reckoner means if you just take a printout and keep it by the side, it will help you analyze. So I'll just show you how to read it. Okay. I'm just sharing the screen. Okay. Can you see this screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this basically contains broadly 3 components. One is this main Kundali, okay, which has got actually everything in it. This you all know the dewdrops. This up to maybe this middle one, the second and fourth column I have to explain to, but I'll go one by one and explain. So let us look at this big chart here. This make a few of the things you know already. So here what I've done is वो जो बाजू में प्रदक्षिणा जैसे किया था वो अभी इधर अंदर ही डाल दिया. तो उच्च नीच पक्का घर स्वराशि. Can you see my mouse move? Shruti also कर दीजिए.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically here I have put in the uch neech pakka and swarashi. Okay, that is what we have always had पहले से. Now इधर बीच में ये जो आ रहा है ना, this is important. This is basically the LK direction. जो अपना जो एक वो that I had given you that 8 this thing, those 16 directions का thing, north, south, east, west, all that thing. No? Here it is slightly different. So I have marked it here only. So first house relates to east, second house relates to northwest, third house relates to south. So when you see the chart, you'll understand. So there are the 12 directions. Okay, 12 directions mean there are three walls, like here a east wall, north wall, and west wall. Okay, so these are basically all the directions which are there. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 walls. If you can see east wall, south wall, and west wall. Huh? So these are all the directions. And here जो red में मैंने लिखा है is that actually tabulation which I've explained to you also, where a planet is bad in that house. For example, I'll just tell you one or two, then you'll remember. If you remember, I told you Sun is bad in these houses, Jupiter is bad in these houses, Saturn is bad in these houses, Moon is bad in this. You remember? Venus is bad in here, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you remember that chart. So ये मैंने I have put it over here. And I'll tell you how to read. Once we do the analysis of one chart, I've made my own that master template. I will explain that to you. So here, basically, in case you forget, these red ones are the ones where that planet is bad in that house. So suppose you see Venus placed over here, you realize that Venus is giving you bad result over here. Simple. Okay. The only exception is this Rahu. If you remember, ये Rahu I told you Anguta jaisa, which is good. So I put it in green over here. Are you clear with this chart? Once we do the actual analysis on my chart itself, which I'll do after this, we'll understand it. Second thing over here is basically this dewdrop that we know. We have done it umpteen number of times. So now this tabulation on the top is an important tabulation where what I've done is I've written all the planet names and I've given the activation ages. The activation ages ka funda will come in some time just now. Abhi don't bother about it. But it is basically in very simple words, it is like the dasha, so to say. कि ये मर्क्यूरी की दशा ये पीरियड में शुरू हो जाएगी. So where Mercury is seated in your chart will start giving that result accordingly. Okay. So Mercury result for you will also start 34 to 36. For me also will start 34 to 36. But depending on where the Mercury is seated and other aspects and everything, it will give you the results. Third one is the Masnui Graha, which you all are all aware of. Correct? And the fourth one is the new thing which I have told you, Balika Bakra. So basically, if let us say Venus is getting hit, like let us say somebody's wife is not well or suddenly, or money related problem, or skin related problem, so you, instead of looking for cure of Venus, see whether Mercury is getting damaged. Or there is Venus here also, see whether Saturn is getting hit. Okay. So basically from here, you will understand whether, where the source of the problem is. Okay. Have you understood this so far? So basically, this is a master template which actually takes in all the grammar of it. Char Dham hai, Masnui hai, good bad houses hai. Correct? I have added on the Vastu directions over there, which I'll explain to you in the next slide. And I have also put in the good bad houses ka thing. The friendship enmity thing is there. And your Masnui Graha is there. Your activation ages are there. And your Balike Bakre are there. So around, I would say 7 to 8 items, very roughly, or maybe 10 items are all there. If at any point I have done a lot of thinking over it, but if you all come up with something which needs to be added into it, then you can tell me. Either abhi dhyan mein aaye to bolo ya baad mein karo. So what I would suggest is, ये template जो है, इसका you get a print on colored print on a card paper आता है, thick paper, 30 rupees को आता है ये 4 size का. वो एक ऐसे निकाल के रख दो, चाहे तो जो प्लास्टिक का जो स्लीव रहता है उसके अंदर डाल के रख दो, and that will act as a ready reckoner whenever you have to do it. Okay, at this point, any questions? We are actually moving very fast. Pritika, you wanted to ask something? Your hang ho gaya. Pritika, were you saying something?
Got lost. Yeah, once you made us do this arrows, no, that sun, 6th house, 7th house, 10th house, what title do we call that?
Those are the houses in which the planets are bad.
Bad. So what do we?
I'm just calling it bad status of planets in houses.
Bad status of planets. Okay.
Because the tabulation is very vast. It has got good, okay, and bad. So what I thought was, see, basically अपने को bad से मतलब अगर good हो रहा है तो ठीक है, but if you and the bad ones are the least of them. So if we can identify the bad effect, then
Hmm.
are good. So,
Okay.
so bad effect of planet in that house, or bad status of
Status of planets in house.
bad
Okay.
status good. There's good.
Yeah.
Anyone else wants to ask anything at this point? Okay. Should I then go on to the this one, Makam Kundli wala thing? I'm going to the next one. Okay. Can you all see this new chart? दिख रहा है? Shruti, are you seeing the new one with the house? हाँ, okay. Now, what I've done here is a template which I will share with you, where ये जो house है, obviously you have to change the house, and ये जो इधर का ABCD जो लिखा है इसके अंदर, that will change. So basically, what you will be getting when I share with you will be this master template, which will be common for all. You will have 3 blank kundlis over here, and you will have this sort of arrow bureau thing without any plan in it. Simple. Okay. Now this obviously is your ready reckoner, so उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा दिमाग खोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. And the only thing is Masnui is not there, but अरे Masnui नहीं, Masnui and that chart is not there, but that is okay. That if you have a printout in front of you, that is good enough. But this will help you. Now just see these 3 things and what they mean. Basically, this will be your Lagna chart, your basic Rashi chart, which you will fill up over here. This will not change ever. So एक बार वो permanently lock कर दो उसको. Okay. This one will be a Varshfal. If you remember the Varshfal, you have to see which running year is there. And I have shared a PDF with you with all 0 to 120 का years का. उसमें का तुम्हारा जो है, if you, I will very roughly tell you how it works. So here you don't have anything in the first house. You have second house. So in 55 running, second house के उधर tabulation में it must be showing 5. So second house planets have moved to 5th house in this year for me. बराबर. Then 6th house. 6th must be showing 9. So 6th house planets have moved to 9. 7th house must be showing 1. So 7th have moved to 1. Okay. 8 might be moving to 10, whatever. So this is the Varshfal from 10th March 21 to 9th March 22. So this is the thing. Now at this point, I want you to understand one thing, which is something like Dasha, what we used to do over there. Okay. Now just understand this concept properly, and I think a lot of clarity will happen. Your Lagna Kundali is your timetable for life. Okay. So तुमको ये होने वाला, ये होने वाला, ये होने वाला, ये होने वाला, ये होने वाला. Okay, which may be different from somebody else's ये होने वाला, whatever. अभी ये होने वाला है तो क्या जिंदगी भर होते रहेगा क्या? तुम्हारी शादी होने वाली तो क्या जिंदगी भर शादी होती रहेगी क्या? नहीं. तो वो कब होगी? तो वो that एक specific वर्ष में होगी. Okay. So out of this, let us say a person is going to live for 100 years. Out of that 100 years, presuming that he's going to get married once, let us say in the 30th year, that fellow is going to get married. Now, 30th year, if you see, you will see marriage over there. So are you trying to say all through the 12 months he is going to get married? No. So that 30 thing will come down to 1 month. So that month is the Mahina Kundali. तो ये month के अंदर वो configuration आ रहा है जिधर उसकी शादी होगी. Then if you have to go further, वो उसमें कौन से हफ्ते में आ रहा है? There will be 4 weeks in that or 5 weeks in that. उसके 1 week में आ जाएगा. वो week के अंदर there are 7 days, तो वो दिन के अंदर आ जाएगा. वो दिन के अंदर 24 घंटे, वो घंटे में आ जाएगा. वो 24 घंटे 1 घंटे या 60 minutes है, उसके अंदर आ जाएगा. वो 60 minutes के अंदर 60 seconds है, उधर आ जाएगा. So you can actually go down to the second. So when they say that in LK you can predict up to the second, this is what it is. But we are going to restrict it to month. So let us take a very simple example. Let us say that, let's talk good only. Let us say you are going to get sudden lot of money, let us say. Okay. So if it is there in your, it will be there in your Lagna chart. So does that mean every day of your life you are going to get a fortune? No. So let us say that that fortune is going to come this year. Okay. So your Lagna chart is telling you your timetable for life. Your Varshfal is going to tell you your timetable for this year. Okay. Now, just understand what it is. Your Varshfal starts from your birthday. So like mine starts from March. So till another 2 or 3 days, my Mahina Kundli is there. So the third one is your Mahina Kundli. अभी Mahina Kundli कैसे देखने का जरा understand कर लो, and then I'll show you the chart. So Mahina Kundli में some configurations have happened, wherein once you analyze it, you can see the good and bad in it. That is one part of it. What I want you to see is This is the LK part of it, which may be slightly difficult because analysis karna hai, remedy karna hai. Let's make it very simple, okay, which came to my mind yesterday. Just now, like Pritiben was saying, that chart which is there, ki which planet is bad in which house. Now, Shanti se suno, it's very simple. If you understand it, then you have got it. 12 houses, 9 planets. Let us say just now one planet is bad. Let us say Sun is bad in the 7th house. Let us say. Barabar? Sun in the 7th house is bad. 6th, 7th, 10th, Sun is bad. 7th का कौन सा डायरेक्शन है उसमें देखो जो नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट जो दिया है वो, ओके, एंड वो तुम्हारे घर में जाके देखो कि ये महीने में उधर सूरज का कुछ सामान पड़ा हुआ है क्या, वो हटा हुआ है. So just now when we are experimenting, let the month start. It will give you the indications before the month starts only. But let us say, I'm just saying for discussion's sake, 7th house may suppose some negative planet is there, let's say Sun. And some Navra Baiko mein khitpit ho raha hai continuously. Manje what? 7th house has got afflicted. Now which is the planet which is afflicting it? Let us say Sun. 7th house का direction कौन सा है वो मेरे को by heart नहीं, but whatever it comes to, let us say for discussion's sake it is north. let us say north में जाके देखो कि sun का item किधर उधर है क्या और remove it from there. Did you understand the concept? So तो daily जो problems है, that when we go to the Mahina Kundi, we can actually remove it. Okay. And then just as an example, let us say today you are having a headache, so it's not going to be a month-long thing. Then you should be able to do the दिन का कुंडली, and उधर देखो कि कौन सा planet वो दिन कुंडली में आके तुमको मार रहा है. So mostly Sun या Mars या Rahu will be hitting your first house. You all can unmute and talk. Then I will show you the chart. Have you all understood this concept, or I can explain it again? Because if you don't understand this concept, you will just be going round and round. So,
I've understood this, but my question is that there might be more than one planets which are bad.
yeah.
So do we treat all of them, or according to what you're facing?
I spoke about one planet in 7th house. Okay. Let us say the second planet is bad in the 3rd house. Let us say. Okay. And there is one more planet, third planet, which is in the 9th house. Whichever planet. Okay. Now, second house may is the house of your siblings. Second house is the house of your communication. Okay. Second house is the house of your documentation. Let us say you are going for a driver's license and wo ho hi nahi raha. Some agreement you are going to do, but wo ho hi nahi raha. Your siblings suddenly are unwell, fever, ye, wo, whatever it is. So which house is affected? Third house is affected. बराबर? Third house में कौन सा planet bad है? Let us say Mercury bad है. Mercury, just check. Mercury might be in the 3rd house. Mercury is what? Girl, sister. So maybe your sister is unwell, it is telling you. Or your bua is unwell, it might tell you. So 3rd house, most probably it will be the sister, because 3rd house is the house of siblings. Mercury is anything other than your wife and mother is that thing. See, थोड़ा सा ना ऐसा घी से सीधा निकलता नहीं ना, वैसे टाइप का thinking करना पड़ता है, which is very difficult for me also. I am not used to thinking टेढ़ा. I have always thought straight in my life. इधर मेरे को टेढ़ा सोचना पड़ता है. So it is logical thinking. So basically 3rd house में अगर Mercury है, तो first of all Mercury gives bad results in this thing. Prithvi, that was that chart which is very important. So 3rd house में Mercury is bad. 3rd, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is bad if you remember that. 3rd house is the house of siblings. Mercury is the karak of female sister. Mercury is also the karak of communication. So arc is there, lungs are there. 3rd house is the house of communication also. So maybe in that month your sister will be most probably younger sister, but sister might have some problem related to eyes or there is something related to breathing because Mercury. Or you can take it even deeper if possible. Mercury is also business. So maybe your sister's के business में कुछ problem आया होगा. So that is 3rd house. Okay, Shruti, you're this thing. So एक वो किया. 7th house we already discussed. उधर समझो कोई भी planet. अभी 9th house में अगर कोई negative planet आया. Okay, 9th house में कौन सा planet negative है उधर? Mercury. Mercury नक्की negative है उधर. बरोबर? Because if you remember Mercury 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 उधर आ रहा है. So this thing, third house में, if Mercury is seated over there, it may be affecting your father. Your father के some health might be there. Now Mercury over there, Mercury again is lung related problem. So maybe that may be there. Mercury को अगर राहु hit दे रहा है, तो राहु is धुआं, Mercury is lungs. So something related to lungs might be there in the father. Now what actually is coming to my head is ये जो बंद मुट्ठी की which Prithvi was telling earlier, no, I am getting a feeling that बंद मुट्ठी के अंदर जो भी टकराव हो रहा है ना, that is affecting you directly. बाकी का 8 घर में अगर टकराव हो रहा है ना, that is some relative of yours. Are you understanding this? If there is some, just now what I am saying, third house से 9th house को मैं बोल रहा हूँ. So it is not you, it is somebody outside of you. So that is your father. And if you remember, third से 9th का एक aspect भी है. So that Mercury might be seated in the third house also. But just now we are talking about Astro Vastu. So we are making it simple. So your Mercury in your Mahina Kundli is today sitting in the 9th house. And उसका symptoms क्या दिखा रहा है? Father is having some cough related problem or chest related problem. Maybe. That you will have to keep doing permutation combination. Now, which is the direction for this thing? Whatever it is. Let us say west. I don't know. Once I show you that, you will understand. So उधर west है. तो वेस्ट में मर्क्यूरी का कोई तो भी आइटम रहेगा तुम्हारे घर में. सम लीफी प्लांट विल बी देयर, सम ग्रीन आइटम विल बी देयर, सम राउंड आइटम विल बी देयर, सम 3 एलिमेंट्स वाला आइटम विल बी देयर. मर्क्यूरी तो महीने में उधर से हटाओ. कहाँ हटाओ? जिधर मर्क्यूरी अच्छा है. तो 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 छोड़ के बाकी अच्छे है. तो मर्क्यूरी का घर कौन सा है? मीरा वाला घर कौन सा है? 7. अरे 6 का कौन सा दिशा है? Once you see that chart, you'll understand. For some reason, okay, I have got it written. Sorry, I can tell you here also. Okay, sorry. So 6th house is north. तो उसको north में रख दो. I will just repeat everything in one shortcut so you'll understand. See, for example, we said third house में Mercury has gone and sat down, and we said that your sister has problem. This whatever it is. Third house is south. Once you see the chart, you'll understand. Or I have already given it to you. South. So south में Mercury का कुछ item है. तो साउथ में घर में जाके देखो मर्क्यूरी का ये सब टिकटॉक जो आइटम मैंने बोला वो है क्या? वो हटा हुआ से. कहाँ हटाओ? तो जिधर मर्क्यूरी अच्छा है. मर्क्यूरी अच्छा किधर है? 6th हाउस में अच्छा है. 6th हाउस इज नॉर्थ. नॉर्थ में जाके कुंडी रखो 1 महीना. देन वी केम टू द फादर थिंग 9th हाउस. 9th हाउस में वी सेड दैट उधर मर्क्यूरी है. मर्क्यूरी बैड रिजल्ट दे रहा है. 6 बरोबर ना. 9th हाउस इज योर ब्रह्मस्थल, सेंटर ऑफ द हाउस. तो सेंटर हाउस तो हाउस में जाके देखो 9th हाउस में whether any you have kept some जाके उधर कुंडी by some. See, ब्रह्मस्थल in today's time doesn't become the courtyard जैसे पहले जमाने में होता था. your ब्रह्मस्थल might be a living room का one side also. Maybe बराबर उधर जाके तुमने last month में जाके उधर मर्क्यूरी का कोई आइटम रखा होगा, वो हटाओ. So like that, in a month you may have by 1 or 2 or 3, you may have 5 planets bad, you may have all 9 planets bad. So वो 9 planets को अभी 9 नहीं कहते, लेट्स सी 4 planets को जाके देखो और वो आइटम उधर रहेगा, उसको हटाओ. It is actually very simple. It is very simple. You don't even need to know Lal Kitab for that. If you understand this, it is a solution which we used to do in Potli का astro vastu also. You remember I used to tell you कि इधर से वो aspect आ रहा है तो उधर वो शनि का आइटम रहेगा, ये उसको हटाओ. Okay.
When you said that Mercury in the 3rd house always gives aspects to the 9th house and there is a problem with father, I mean some illness with father, I mean
No.
you just said it for the heck of it.
I didn't say that. I said Mercury gives bad results in the 3rd house. If you see the tabulation which I've given you how to understand, Mercury is bad in 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And Mercury seated in the 3rd house has an aspect to the 8th house, the 9th house. Now talk.
So when it gives aspect to the 9th house, does it affect the father?
ninth house is house of father, ninth house of religious travel, ninth house is house of pilgrimage, ninth house is house of overseas travel.
Yeah.
So all the it will hit the house. See, in LK now basically they look at houses. हाउस टू हाउस का कनेक्शन देखते हैं और उसके अंदर प्लैनेट्स बैठे दे आर द कैरियर्स सो इट इज लाइक सेइंग दैट योर हाउस एंड माय हाउस एंड a courier is going from my house to your house, so that is a planet ka aspect, but your house is your house, my house is my house. If I am sending a courier from my house to your house with kheer in it, तो योर हाउस का अच्छा हो गया. मैंने मेरे हाउस से तुम्हारे घर पे अगर बॉम्ब भेज दिया तो तुम्हारा घर उद्ध्वस्त हो गया, and obviously घर के अंदर जो बैठा है वो उद्ध्वस्त हो गया. So if I send you kheer, you and your family are eating kheer and you are in a good mood. It is like that.
So can we just go back and sorry, yeah, I'm so sorry. I have one or two questions.
Well, the more the question, the
So I'm just asking that can I go back in time and see whether this particular year my father was extremely ill? So was it the time when Mercury affected, because my Mercury is in the third house and my father was extremely ill once upon a time. So can I go back and check?
your Mercury is placed in the third house in your natal
Yes.
chart. So that Mercury in third house is giving a bad result. That is giving a LK aspect to the ninth house. Ninth house is the house of father. Did he have any breathing related issue? Oh,
Kidney.
kidney. Where is your Jupiter placed?
Second house.
Second house. And what is Saturn in your sixth house? Or Rahu is in the
Seventh house.
sixth house? Mein which planet is there?
Sixth house. I will have to check. Sixth house मध्ये moon आहे. Rahu is in 8th house. Saturn is in 7th house. There is no planet in the 9th house.
And 1 minute, 1 minute. Your this thing, 8 minutes. Your Jupiter is in the second house,
Second house.
and
Mercury is in the third house.
seventh house and in ninth house मध्ये काय आहे?
7th house, Saturn. 9th house, no planet.
Okay. So it is clear here. See, एक आठ की टक्कर, you remember? So if second house में a planet is there, seventh house becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you look at the other way, it becomes 8. So basically, Saturn is hitting Jupiter by the 1/8 ka takkar, 1/8 ka takkar. If your Saturn is in the seventh house, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Saturn is giving the 1/8 ka takkar to the second house. Second house where Jupiter is sitting. Jupiter is your father.
Jupiter, Sun, and Ketu together. So my father met. I mean, we had to go under a surgery. So Ketu आहे म्हणून surgery पण का?
Ketu. Jupiter, Sun, and Ketu.
Ketu.
तो
In second house.
तो Ketu and Sun together half ग्रहण हो गया. Plus Shani hitting over here is giving you another ग्रहण. So it is all of it. That will take अपन तो let's not get into that because the line is there.
Yes, I just want to understand that should I go back in time and see that वो time पे वो effect ज़्यादा दे रहा था, you know?
This technique which I have just shared with you, I will go again, summarize it again, maybe twice if required just now. I want you all to not only see from today onwards, but I want you to go back and also if there are some event which has happened, you make the Mahina Kundi of that month and then see. So let us say, let's say when you were 25, this happened. So 25 का वर्ष कुंडली बनाओ, 25 का वर्ष कुंडली बनाओ, उसके हिसाब से महीना कुंडली बनाओ, and वो महीना कुंडली में टिकटॉक हो रहा है कि नहीं देखो, and then we'll talk. Rishikesh?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, my Mercury is also in the third house. So as you told, will it affect my sister, siblings?
See, Mercury, in a simple word, no? Mercury seated in the third house will give bad results. Okay. Now when Mercury in transit will come over there, or when Mercury ka dasha happens, that time it will happen.
My dasha. No?
Yeah, your dasha. See, कसं माहिती ना, basically that day I said something to one of my friends and he said, oh my god, मेरे वजह से मेरे पिता मर गए or something. I said, boss, ऐसा नहीं है. तुम्हारे पिता मरने वाले थे, वो तुम्हारे चार्ट में दिखा रहा था. तुमने कुछ किया इसलिए पिता मर गया ऐसा नाही आहे. यु नो, नाही तर काय कधी कधी म्हणतात ना, पहिले हा नडकी घेऊन आलेले जन्माला. तर तसं नाही आहे. याच्या चार्ट मध्ये जर सगळं वाईट दिसतंय की बाप मरणार आहे, हे मरणार आहे, तो होणार आहे, ते होणार आहे, अरे दॅट इज सीन इन हिज चार्ट, हिज डेस्टिनी, की हे असं होणार आहे. ही हॅज नॉट कम विथ द डेस्टिनी विच इज गोइंग टू किल द फादर, unless it is some sort of a pitru rin or something like that. But normally, so basically it's a timetable. So in your timetable, it is seen that Mercury is going to give bad results. So Mercury is also business, Mercury is also sister, Mercury is also vision. Okay. So आता सगळ्यांच्या आयुष्यामध्ये बिझनेस मध्ये कधीतरी अपडाऊन होतो, कधीतरी डोळ्याचा काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम येतो, बरोबर. कधीतरी बहिणीला काहीतरी त्रास होतो. तुझी बहीण पण ह्युमनच आहे, तर तिला कधी म्हणतात ते कधी म्हणा त्याचं तू लिंक इकडे लावू शकतो. बट इफ मर्क्युरी इन युअर महिना, ऑल ऑफ यू पे अटेन्शन, लेट अस से ऋषिकेश, या महिन्या कुंडलीमध्ये, तुझ्या महिन्या कुंडलीमध्ये मर्क्युरी हॅज कम इन आयदर थर्ड हाऊस or 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means Mercury is giving bad result. So Mercury related products will give bad result. So you need to see Mercury का जो third, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 है, यानी साउथ में या साउथ वॉल में या ब्रह्मस्थल में या वेस्ट वॉल में या साउथ ईस्ट में, जिधर भी तुम्हारा मर्क्यूरी आ रहा है उधर जाके देखो मर्क्यूरी का कुछ प्रोडक्ट है क्या, उधर से हटाओ. इफ योर सिस्टर इज टू फॉल इल, अगर इतना इलनेस वॉज टू हैपन, इतना हो जाएगा, बट होगा तो नक्की. यू कैनॉट चेंज डेस्टिनी, यू कैन ओनली कंट्रोल द क्वांटिटी बाय डूइंग द उपाय. ये क्लियर ध्यान में रखो. वन थिंग आई वांट टू शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ यू, अपन ये सब रेमेडीज करते हैं, समटाइम्स द रेमेडीज डोंट वर्क. ओके, वन ऑप्शन इज दैट अपना कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक हो सकता है, अपन को चैंपियन नहीं. बट सेकंड थिंग इज, इफ इट इज समथिंग दैट तुमको भोगना है because of some rin or something like that, वो चेंज नहीं, वो it will not get rectified. वो एक ध्यान में रखो. प्रीतिबेन might tell better. बट अगर तुम वो कुछ भोगने के लिए आए हो तो उपाय कर से उसको थोड़ा कम हो सकता है, बट वो होगा तो होगा ही. So some remedies don't work. That is the thing. Okay, next question. Your voice is not coming again. Voice. Plug me.
Shruti, you can now. Okay, so Manish, you are discussing about the Lagna chart, but for all this while again we were referring to Rashi chart only, but then in the template you said it's Lagna chart.
Mike, दूर रखो. It's too loud. What?
दूर रखूं, पास रखूं, what you can't hear or what?
Keep it away. It is too loud. What was you saying? What?
Okay, so you said you showed in the template it's the Lagna. We were referring to Rashi chart for LK.
Lagna chart is only Rashi.
Right.
Lagna chart is only Rashi. Lagna chart is Rashi chart.
No.
Main Kundali
Lagna chart is.
Your basic.
Lagna Kundali is different from. Acha, that is Bhav Chalit. I'm going to basic. He got scared. Oh God. ठीक है. Yes. Sorry.
Next question. Because I want to discuss the entire analysis now. Any questions? Should we go ahead? Priti, when you want to ask something? Okay. So I'll just tell you the concept and then I will go back to I'll show you the actual analysis. I have done it on my chart only. So basically क्या करना है कि तुम्हारे लाइफ का जो स्टोरी है वो लग्न चार्ट, राशि चार्ट, नॉट भाव चलित चार्ट, राशि चार्ट, लग्न चार्ट से वो हिसाब लगाने का. ओके, अभी उसमें भी देखो कोई प्लैनेट बुरा बैठा है क्या. लाइक जस्ट नाउ लेट्स से मर्क्यूरी का बोलो, सो मर्क्यूरी थर्ड हाउस में बैठा है. सो फॉर लेट्स से ऋषिकेश or for Shruti, on a permanent umbrella basis, Mercury is bad. So you have to see that in your house or in your office, इन द तुमच्या दोघांचं थर्ड हाऊस मध्ये आहे ना. ओके, सो थर्ड हाउस इज रिलेटेड टू साउथ. तो तुम्हारे साउथ में मर्क्यूरी का आइटम्स है क्या? देखो, एनी राउंड आइटम्स, एनी 3 एलिमेंट वाला आइटम्स में 3 पाते वाला पंखा जैसे रहते हैं वो, या एनी ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल प्लांट्स और एनी ग्रीन आइटम्स, ये कोई मर्क्यूरी का जो आइटम्स है ना उधर परमानेंटली नहीं चाहिए. ओके, अभी एक कंसेप्ट ध्यान में रखो. देयर इज समथिंग विच यू हैव टू डू परमानेंटली एंड देयर इज समथिंग विच यू हैव टू डू इंटरमिटेंटली. इंटरमिटेंटली भी ऑन ऑफ ऑन ऑफ. तो जो तुम्हारा लग्न चार्ट में है जो धोखा दे रहा है वो परमानेंटली तुमको वो यू हैव टू वो पालना पड़ेगा कि फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू इन द साउथ देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी ग्रीन आइटम्स. सिंपल. अभी महीने के अंदर जो आएगा वो महीने के अंदर ही अंदर करना है. योर मंथ स्टार्ट्स ऑन डे 1 एंड एंड्स ऑन डे 31 और 30 और व्हाटएवर इट इज, उसके बीच में वो सब शिफ्टिंग करना है. अभी क्लियर? Okay. So now basically what we are going to be doing is we are going to be identifying by a dot on my chart which are the houses, which are the planets giving bad results in that specific house in an overall Lagna chart for life. So I have to see that permanently in that area these items should not be there. Then I will see my Varshfal in this year. It should not be there. But that I don't need to do any movement. Why? Because उसका देने वाला वो महीना में देने वाला. So वर्षफल I require to make the महीना कुंडली. So वर्षफल बनाना ही पड़ेगा. But वर्षफल के आइटम्स को कुछ जास्ती तोड़फोड़ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये तो कभी आएगा अपने को नहीं मालूम. It might come the 12th month. तो अभी से मैं क्यों सब शिफ्ट करके बैठूं? So like for example potted plants. एक potted plant इधर उधर हटम ठीक है, but if you have 10-15 like Priti Bene has got one full terrace of potted plant. अभी मैं बोलूँ ये महीने के लिए इधर से उधर शिफ्ट करो, वो ठीक है, but every month you cannot keep jumping like that. So basically महीना कुंडली देखना है और महीना कुंडली के अंदर जो टिंगटोंग है that you have to move, and where you should move it, move that item where that planet is उच्च और पक्का घर का, यानी उसके बाप के घर में उसको बिठा रहे हैं तो उधर वो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेगा. खुद के घर में बैठे, शत्रु के घर में नहीं बैठे. Clear? Should I share the thing? This is the basic concept. If you have this clear, everything is clear. Okay. Now, if we see this one, ये तो you have understood this. अभी ये मेरा वर्ष कुंडली है. So what we'll do is, I hope you all know the thing by heart. So I will take the liberty of अब ये जो planets है, okay, Ketu, if you remember, is bad in this shoe shape, leg shape thing. If you remember, तो Ketu ठीक है. Mars, if you remember, 4 and 8 में खराब था, so ये भी ठीक है, बराबर. Sun, if you remember, Sun and Jupiter इधर खराब था, so Sun खराब है. Sun खराब है, correct? Moon, ये ऐसा जाके था तो ये Moon भी खराब निकला, बराबर. Mercury, if you remember 3, 8, 9, 12, so Mercury is okay. Saturn इधर खराब है तो ये ठीक है. Venus is 169, VAT 69, तो ये ठीक है. राहु इधर अच्छा था, ये अंगूठा, तो ये खराब है. Jupiter ये तीनों में खराब था तो ये ठीक है. So for me permanently Sun, Moon and Rahu in these houses are bad. Now if you relate to this table which is there at the side, which I have sent you the PDF, but just now I am zooming in over here, so I am reading it from my book over here. So 6th house, this relates to north, and this relates to south wall. I'll explain what it means. So मेरे north में, that is if I see this, fortunately मेरा north का इतना ही टुकड़ा है, ये जो टुकड़ा है, ये north में sun and moon related items नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, and south wall. So this is the south. This is the south wall. The entire thing is the south wall. So उधर और राहु का items नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा. Okay. You know? Huh? Have you understood? Huh? Yeah. Venus has come. She's saying they are all my friends. Yes. Yeah, hello, Munda. Yes.
Hi. 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 मी राहू आहे त्या डोक्याच्या पाठी तर मला अच्छा त्यांना म्यूट केलं
They are not allowed to talk there.
मी नाही आय एम सॅटर्न टुडे ब्लॅक हेअर
She's Saturn. With the Chasma is also Saturn, so Saturn is also there on top.
बाय बाय
Okay, so coming back to this, huh? Coming back to this. Hey, why am I doing this? So on a permanent basis, I need to be careful that these items, sun, moon items, are not there in the north. बराबर? And on a permanent basis, I need to see south wall पे राहु नहीं है. अभी south and south wall का concept I also have to get it slightly clear. But the thing is, if this is the north, let us say, whatever comes in this zone comes in the north part of it. But this is a north wall. So ये north wall पे जो भी आएगा, that is north wall. Okay, but वो जाने दो, whatever it is. Now I'm deleting this. Now वर्षफल, like I said, वर्षफल का अपन माथापड़ी नहीं करते because वर्षफल I am just using as an intermediary to come to the महीना कुंडली. अभी ये मेरा महीना कुंडली. Now let's analyze this from the good bad houses. Okay. Priti, when you are understanding this, that table which I was telling you, is this table. हाँ? तो अभी अगर इसमें देखो ना, राहु, if you remember, राहु is good in this, so ये राहु bad हो गया. राहु is good in this अंगूठा वाला thing, if you remember, बराबर. Saturn यहाँ से यहाँ bad है, तो Saturn bad हो गया. Okay. Venus 169 में bad, तो ये ठीक है. Jupiter इसमें खराब है, तो ये Jupiter खराब हो गया इधर, बराबर. ये Mars 4 and 8 में खराब है, तो ये ठीक है. Ketu, if you remember, is that dinosaur foot, तो ये भी ठीक है. Okay. Sun, if you go to see, Sun इधर खराब है, तो Sun ठीक है. Moon यहाँ खराब है, तो Moon ठीक है. Mercury 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, तो ठीक है. So basically Rahu, now if I see this, this is the northwest. Okay. This Saturn is in the east wall. Okay. Jupiter is in the north. So what I have to see is, अभी for example ये जो है ना, in the east of my section, those balconies, you all have not seen that. There earlier when I used to do weight training, मेरे सब weights are there. You know, rusted metallic weights, वजन, weight training वाला. So that I need to remove for this month. So where will I put it? I will put it where Saturn is Uch. Where is Saturn Uch? तो ये कौन सा डायरेक्शन हो गया? साउथ वेस्ट. सो साउथ वेस्ट में रख सकता हूँ या निकाल ही दे सकता हूँ, whatever I want. So here in the northwest, I need to see any Rahu related items are there, any grey is there, any hanging items are there, any dhua is there, any metallic wind chimes are there. वो. So ऐसा करके basically if you look into that, then so basically if this Saturn is bad over here, it is giving bad result in the 7th house. It may also, जो trine बनेगा उसका, that will also, it might affect. So then the LK का all the other theorems come into play. But did you understand? So I need to, for this month, I need to see whether Saturn वो घर में है, वो problematic है क्या? What problems it is giving? My whatever, I don't remember now, that other planet which was there in the southwest, वो कुछ मेरे को problem दे रहा है. You know, let me just go back to that. I think whether undo हो जाएगा. So basically, if you see here, Jupiter, okay, is giving bad result in this house. Jupiter is giving bad result in the 6th house. 6th house is the house of what? Of your pets, your dog. Okay. Rahu is giving an aspect here to Jupiter. Jupiter is giving bad result in the 6th house. My dog passed away. Rahu is giving a bad result here. So that is the house of your family. So he was my family. Barabar. So my family was affected. My dog was affected. My Rahu gave a bad result. My Jupiter gave a bad result. Can you see? So this is how you have to draw parallels. So today at this point of time, maybe you have to anticipate. Sorry, you have to observe and document it, because maybe we are not yet competent enough to anticipate. But if we do this on a regular basis, on almost like a day-to-day basis, and seeing that okay ये हो रहा है तो ये महीने में ये होने वाला है मत सोचो, जो हुआ है वो इसको relate करो. Okay, so let us say some planet is bad in the 6th house. Okay, and in that month, let us say you had a tummy upset. Make a note of that. 6th house is stomach. Moon is in the 6th house in this month for you. Moon is also stomach. Moon is also liquids in the body. So moon, liquids in the body, stomach, 6th house of illness. Moon bad in 6th house, stomach upset. Something like this happens. Let us say 8th house, let us say some Mars is there or somebody. Okay, and that fellow meets with an accident. Let's say पैर को ठेस लग गई. That is also an accident. 8th house is the house of accident. Mars is the house of chot. Mars is bad in 8th house. Document over. So maybe in couple of months time, or hopefully within a couple of weeks time only, if we get a control of this, then what has to be done is, ये Mars अगर अगले महीने में दिख रहा है, तो you have to be very careful. You don't, because वो चोट तो लगने ही वाला है, but इतने लगने के बदले इतना लगेगा. Then, at least that's what I feel, a time will come when we can make that sine curve shallow and go along with the planets. Because the planets are telling you, but then there is another concept which I shared with you long ago where you activate it on your own. कि समझो उधर दिख रहा है कि तुमको ये महीने में ठेस लगने वाली है, तो तुम खुद ही जाके एक तुम्हारा अंगूठा से दीवार को ठक करके लात मार दो, तो वो प्रॉक्सी हो गया, डन. ओके, समवेयर अभी पेट बिगड़ने वाला है तो कुछ ऐसा बका बका खा के पेट मत बिगड़ो, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू थिंग्स व्हिच आर प्रैक्टिकल, कुछ भी ऐसा इफ यू कैन सी दैट एंड यू डू इट इन एडवांस. सो सी बेसिकली व्हाट इज उपाय जो तुम्हारा जो बैलेंस था ऋण, वो तुम कर रहे हो बाय डूइंग दिस. सो दिस इज वन वे, आइदर यू डू द उपाय or you do that act and you finish it off. Like many times, like I told you once, like my friend is, he was, if you remember this, I told you 6, 7, 8 months back. Today I can tell you that with confidence. He was going under that case. The police were going to arrest him. There was this thing, that false case allegation of that fellow who builder के पास पैसा डाला था, builder भाग गया था. You remember? I'll tell you very short. My very old friend was working with a builder. He had himself invested a lot of his money, his parents' money in that also. And that builder was 100-150 लोगों का पैसा लेके भाग गया. And since this fellow was working with him, they all put the case on this fellow and other guys. मैं उसके ऊपर तो केस डाला ही, इसके ऊपर तो ये खींच गया था. And everybody got arrested, but he didn't get arrested. Okay, so that time I told him that you every day go to a premise of a jail or a police station and spend some time there, consume something, so you are consuming the energy of that. So उसका proxy लग गया. His lawyer, till now he has employed 3 lawyers. One of the lawyers was a retired, very senior judge of High Court, and all 3 of them have told him, I do not understand how you have not got arrested. And now he's got bail, so now he cannot get arrested. But his basic, they have told him, this fellow used to tell me this. Now I didn't tell him because I told you to do only, so I am patting my own back. But I know that. So all the judges told him point blank on the face, I do not understand how they didn't arrest you till now. And he's standing there only, wherever he's staying, he's sitting there. किधर भाग के छुप के नहीं बैठा था. So nobody arrested. बाकी के सब लोगों के against कार्रवाई हुई, but this fellow was not arrested. So because he did a proxy, ना, मैंने क्या है, तुमको मैं जेल में जाने का, मैं जेल के वातावरण में घूम के आ रहा हूँ. So suppose it is said that this person in this month is going to fall ill. So then what is said is, every day go to a hospital zone, spend half an hour over there, consume something over there. If you do not want to eat outside food, take a bottle of water from home, drink it and throw the water bottle there. Don't get the water bottle home. बिस्लरी का पानी घर से लेके जाओ, उधर पियो और पानी फेंको, या उधर जाके बैठो, उधर कोई बिस्किट का पूड़ा लो, वो खाओ, something if you don't want to eat outside food or whatever. But you have to consume that energy of that zone in you. So तुम्हारा टिक लग गया कि तुमने जो भोगना था भोग गए. तुमको हॉस्पिटल जोन में जाने का था, तुम जाके आए. तुमको जेल में जाने का था, तुम जेल के वातावरण में जाके आए. उधर का चाय पिया, बिस्किट खाया, काम हो गया तुम्हारा. This is what I'm trying, this is what is coming to my head and this is what I feel we should do. Then you are moving along with the planet. The planet is telling me तुमको जेल जाने का, मैं जेल जाकर है. Planet is saying तुमको हॉस्पिटल जाने का, मैं हॉस्पिटल जाकर है. बस, planets are happy, you are happy. You understand? If we can get control over this, again I'm repeating, the sine curve will become a smooth sine curve rather than this jagged sine curve, and it will not be a straight line which is dead. Bas, that's all I have to say. Now you all can ask anything that you want. Then I'll explain that 54,000 ka chart after. Trupti, just.
So Manish, as you are saying, to avoid these bad effects of the planet, you go to that place and consume that energy. So similar can happen with the good planets also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But what I'm trying to say is, just now if we actually are able to control the bad component of our life, that is better now. See, good को तुम और अच्छा कर सकते हो. और एक sentence which I always keep telling people who ask me for astrological advice over that. अगर तुम्हारे नसीब में 100 rupees है and today you are getting 80 rupees, an astrologer can help you to get 100 rupees, but he will never be able to give you 101 rupees. वो ध्यान में रखो. अपने को ऐसा लगता है कि अपने को एस्ट्रोलॉजी आ गया. मेरे को भी इनिशियली दिमाग में आता था मैं तो अभी करोड़पति बन जाऊंगा. तुम्हारे नसीब में लखपति है तो तुम लखपति रहोगे, करोड़पति. पर तुमको लखपति बनना है तो लखपति बनोगे. अभी नहीं बन रहे हो बिकॉज ऑफ सम ऑब्स्टिकल्स. So if 100 rupees is in your nasib, you will get 100 rupees if you know astrology, but you never get 101 rupees. वो एक clear cut ध्यान में रखो. You can never become Sharmila Tagore and Rajesh Khanna. You will remain what you are only, but you might become more beautiful. That is all. If at all you are thinking तो Venus को कैसे चमका होगा. Okay, next doubt. रश्मीने तो कॅमेराच बंद केले. शर्मिला टागोर. आता तिकडे समोर काहीतरी म्हणत असत जायना. बागों में बहार है. बागों में बहार है में मर्क्यूरी आला. त्याला मर्क्यूरी में नाच रहे हो तुम. वरना मर्क्यूरी तुम्हारे तीसरे घर में बैठे है तो मस्त बागों में बहार है और इधर सब वाट है. आजकल मेरा प्रॉब्लम होता है प्रीति में. nowadays no, anything that I see no, suddenly may not voluntarily gets dissected into planets. Today morning when Shruti said something, मेरे को वही ध्यान में आया. Whenever I see something, then my wife was telling me morning to तेरे को क्या सब ऐसा planets ही दिखता है. I said हाँ, if something is happening, I sort of involuntarily associate it with planetary movement. But I think it is good because that is helping that analysis.
It has become more easy because of the story that you've narrated,
Yeah, actually.
So anyway, now do you all want?
Others you would have never learned.
So I and Sir were discussing a case about one of my friends, and apparently both son and daughter are not doing good. मतलब parents को सिर्फ परेशान करने का. So he immediately said that maybe parents का Ketu and Mercury you said, right? में कुछ problem हो गया होगा या yeah you said that कि उनका parents का कुंडली में Ketu and Mercury must be a problem or maybe it's giving bad effects.
Basically
Manish,
हाँ बोल.
Manish, महिना फल किंवा month हे महिना फल is there on the this thing. You can calculate or you get it ready made.
No, that's what I'm trying to say. Don't get into the software part. Make it manually only. Okay.
How?
अच्छा, okay. Your लग्न कुंडली you get from anywhere. Let's say Astro Sage से तुमने लिया. तुम्हारा राशि चार्ट, लग्न चार्ट, मेन मास्टर चार्ट वो हो गया. अभी that I have given you a PDF around couple of days back where each year of your life का thing is given over there. So if you understand how to make a वर्षफल, तुम्हारा let's say you're 50, तो 50 के लाइन में उधर देखो कि जिधर समझो तुम्हारे लग्न चार्ट में फर्स्ट हाउस में प्लैनेट्स है, तो फर्स्ट हाउस का प्लैनेट अभी किधर जाके बैठा है तो उधर लिखो. सेकंड में कुछ नहीं, थर्ड में कुछ नहीं, फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. फोर्थ का प्लैनेट जाके 9 में बैठा है ऐसे. सो दैट बिकम्स योर वर्ष फॉर योर 50th ईयर रनिंग ईयर. ओके. नाउ यू हैव टू सी योर महीना कुंडली. So let us say your birthday is in January, let us say. Okay. And now March is going on. So which month is going on? Third month. So sun जिधर भी वर्ष कुंडली में बैठा है उसको फर्स्ट हाउस में लाके रखो. And accordingly pull all the planets there. So let us say for discussion sake, the planets are only in 1, 4, 7, 10. Let us say 1, 4, 7, 10. म्हणजे काय 1 में 2, 3 में कुछ नहीं, 4 में 5, 6 में कुछ नहीं, 7 में 8, 9 में कुछ नहीं, 10 में 11, 12 में कुछ नहीं, 1 में. And let us say your sun is seated in the 10th house. So sun को तुम फर्स्ट हाउस में लाओ. So तुमने 7th 10th का फर्स्ट में लाया, तो 7th का 10th में गया, 4th का 7th में आया, फर्स्ट का 4th में गया, बरोबर? It has gone like that. So you see that video if you want of the thing, or if you don't understand, I will tell you. Have you all of you understood how to make the Mahina Kundli?
Which video it is there?
1 minute, but I made a mistake. 1 minute. I told you it's the 3rd month. So your sun has to be taken to the 3rd house. My thing. Okay, you want me to demonstrate it? All of you want me to show how to make Mahina Kundli? Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, this is the Varshfal that you understand from the 55 ka thing, whatever. Now, इस sun का ये combination है. My birthday is in what? March. So this is which month of mine? First month. So I will move this entire component to the first house. It is very simple. इसके immediate next is Rahu, तो immediate next Rahu डाला. फिर एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा Saturn का combo आया, एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा Saturn का combo आया. Immediately after Jupiter आ गया, immediate after Jupiter आ गया. उसके बाद में एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा Mars का combo आया, एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा Mars का combo आया. फिर एक दो तीन छोड़ा वापस Sun आया, एक दो तीन छोड़ा Sun आया. Okay. Now, if the same thing I want to make for the next month. Next month is month मुझे अप्रैल के लिए बनाना है. अप्रैल फॉर मी इज व्हाट? सेकंड मंथ. तो ये जो सन का कॉम्बो है, आई विल पुट इट हियर सेकंड मंथ. इसके इमीडिएटली बाद में राहु आया, तो राहु वाला कॉम्बो इधर आ गया. फिर एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा फिर सैटर्न का आया, एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा कि सैटर्न का इधर आ गया कॉम्बो. फिर सैटर्न के बाद में इमीडिएटली बाद जुपिटर आ गया. उसके बाद में एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा तो मार्स का आया. सो एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा तो मार्स का आ गया इधर. फिर एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा तीन छोड़ा सन आ गया, एक छोड़ा दो छोड़ा तीन छोड़ा सन का आ गया. So basically what you need to do is, whichever is your month of birthday, that becomes your 1. So let's say for me, if I want to see month number 1, that will be house number 1. So if I want to see, let us say June में मेरा क्या है? So what will be March, April, May, June, 4 हो गया. तो सन का जो कॉम्बो है वो 4th में जाके बैठा है. एंड देन बाकी का एवरीथिंग एल्स विल फॉलो लाइक अ ट्रेन. एक लक्ष्य दे तृप्ति, अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. इट इज लाइक अ ट्रेन पकड़ो. तुम्हारा सन है ना, सन इज द लीडिंग इंजन व्हिच आई हैव डन इन दैट मसनोई ग्रह आल्सो, इफ यू रिमेंबर. सन जैसे जाएगा एवरीथिंग एल्स विल फॉलो लाइक दैट. एंड सन किधर बिठाने का वर्ष फल आ गया, तो दैट वर्ष फल बिकम्स योर टेम्पलेट नाउ फॉर योर ईयर. सो फॉरगेट द लग्न चार्ट. Your Varshfal is your Lagna, your Varshfal is your timetable for life for this year. Usme your sun, whenever you put it in the month that you want, correlating to the house. So for you or for everyone, first month is first house, second month is second house, 12th month is 12th house. So अभी let's say तुझा birthday कुठला महिन्यात असतो? January. Yeah. So for you first house is sun. So आता March आहे ना. So if you want to see, let's say you want to see for April. You want to see April, you put the sun का combo whatever it is into the 4th house. आणि त्याच्याप्रमाणे वर्षफळचं जसं काही शेपूट आहे ते जात जाईल. This month you want to see, you put it in the 3rd house. You want to see, so you are lucky January में 1 to 1 आता, बरोबर? जिसका January उसका आसान होता है. You want to see October से काय, put the sun combo in the 10th month. And then everything else वो देखो ना, मैं इसके दो छोड़ के ये combo है, ये तो then put it over.
नहीं, मला I didn't get this one. अक्टूबर है तो 10th में क्यों जाएगा?
So she is January month. तुझा कुठला महिन्यात बर्थडे?
Mine is August, so I'm assuming 6th
So ऑगस्ट आता है ना. So ऑगस्ट म्हटलं तर आता मार्च आहे.
March.
एप्रिल मे जून जुलै ऑगस्ट 5 महिने. So if you go back, so August will be month
We're
1.
still in March, no? So we will count March as one, no?
No. See, आता मार्च चालू आहे. So March, April, May, June, July, August. So August becomes first month. This becomes 12th month. This becomes 11th month, 10th month, 9th month. Abhi your 8th month is going on. March is 8th month. April will be 9th. May 10th. June 11th. July 12th. August 1st. बरोबर ना?
So I will start calculating as, so she will start like 2nd August to,
1 minute, let me clear her doubt first. See, forget about it. I'll make it easy for you. Your birthday is when you said August, Shruti. So August, अगर अगस्त महीने का देखने का for अभी coming year होगा और पिछले देखने का whatever, you have to move your sun combo to first. So this is a permanent thing for you. Every year of your life, if you want to see the first month for you will be August. So sun will move to first house. That is your first month. Second month कौन सा हो गया तुम्हारा? September.
September वो second house में जाएगा.
Third will be October. Preeti, any doubt? Because
that chart no which you have given us, 66th year says Khana number 1, house number 1, 5.
So
what does that mean?
So पहले घर में जो भी आपका planets रहेगा वो जाके, okay, let me see your chart 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I have got your chart.
It will go to 5th house.
I will make your chart just now. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Now your in 65 running है आपका?
66.
66 running. Okay. So 66 running में 1 के नीचे 66 में क्या लिखा है? 5 लिखा है.
5. हाँ.
तो आपके फर्स्ट हाउस में सन है.
हाँ.
सन आपका जाके 5th हाउस में बैठेगा फॉर दिस वर्षफल.
ओके, गॉट इट.
अभी थर्ड में क्या लिखा है? थर्ड के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
3.
थर्ड में 3 लिखा है. आपका जो मार्स है उधर ही बैठने वाला है. बिकॉज मार्स आपका थर्ड में तो उधर ही. देन आपके 5th हाउस में जुपिटर केतु है तो 5th के लाइन में क्या है? Does anyone have the chart open? You can
I don't know. My internet is gone. I didn't hear. Sorry, my internet's unstable. I couldn't.
I have the chart open just now. I can.
Sorry.
No, don't worry. Does anyone have that chart open here?
I'll help you.
तर त्याच्यामध्ये 66th लाइन मध्ये बघ. Then I'll explain. Let me know.
We'll talk later. My internet is unstable. I can't understand.
Don't worry. You will at least see the recording. I will just explain. Shruti, once you open it.
66 में काय बघायचं आहे?
66 लाइन मिळाला तुला?
हो.
प्रीति बेन just pay attention. आपका 66 का अपन लाइन देख रहे हैं. आपके फर्स्ट हाउस में सन है. फर्स्ट लाइन मध्ये 66 मध्ये काय दिलेले आहे? 5. So your sun for this year moves to 5th house. सेकेंड हाउस आपका एम्प्टी है. थर्ड हाउस में मार्स है. थर्ड हाउस के नीचे क्या दिया है?
3.
तो आपका मार्स उधर ही बैठा है. फोर्थ आपका एम्प्टी है. 5th में जुपिटर केतु है. 5th को क्या दिया है?
सेकंड.
तो आपका जुपिटर केतु सेकंड में जाएगा ये साल. देन 6th इज एम्प्टी. 7th में मून है. 7th के सामने क्या दिया है?
6.
तो आपका मून 6th में आ गया. ओके,
समझ गई.
हाँ. सो दिस ईयर यू हैव टू बी लिटिल केयरफुल अबाउट योर स्टमक. Moon is bad in the 6th house. Moon is stomach. Moon is also liquids in the body. So be careful about stomach related problems. Okay. And इसमें what is it called? 6th house में है. 6th house में north है. North में कोई moon related items होना नहीं चाहिए for this year. So you understand this is how you make your worshful. And then once the worshful becomes the like a master stamp for making the mahina kundi.
Understood.
understood that. How do we go for that? I mean, how I come to 8th house as my sun house now, because वो मैं जो अगस्त है वो फर्स्ट हाउस में डाल दूंगी, सो वहां से आई कैलकुलेटेड.
देख, तुला कुठल्या महिन्याचं बघायचं?
मला ह्या महिन्याचं पाहायचं आहे ना. सो व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू इज फर्स्ट हाउस में ऑगस्ट डाल देंगे. ऑगस्ट, सप्टेंबर, ऑक्टोबर, नोव्हेंबर असं करता करता मार्च मध्ये इज 8th.
See, August is first month. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So March is 8th house. So put your sun ka component in the 8th house and Varshfal ka baki ka that ladder which is there, you continue. So if you wanted to see, Shruti, if you wanted, let's say your father was unwell in, let us say, September of whichever year. So September is which? August, September, second month ho gaya. Rather than it's okay, don't worry. No, she's trying to draw attention, that's all. So it's okay. The typical child mentality. So let it be. She's trying to do this, and showing something. It's okay. It's okay. As long, don't get disturbed. You look here, Tila karu de kai karenge. In fact, if the more attention you give, the more she'll trouble you. So basically, if let us say he was unwell in September, ती काय असं करते तिकडे माझं पण लक्ष असतं. I'll tell you a story just to make this little long back, when Jumbo was एकदम baby. तो वो कैसे रहता था, मेरा ऑफिस देखा वो जो ग्रेनाइट का काउंटर है जिधर मैं बैठा हूँ, इधर जिधर मैं बैठा हूँ, माय वाइफ यूज्ड टू सिट हियर एंड दैट साइड अभी जिधर टॉयलेट का डोर देयर आई यूज्ड टू सिट. हमारे दो टाइम ऑफिस इतना ही था और दोनों के बीच में वो प्रैम रख के और जंबो यूज्ड टू सिट होता है एज अ बेबी, छोटा बेबी, कपल ऑफ मंथ्स. आफ्टर सम टाइम उसको प्रॉप अप करके बैठे थे तो इधर देखता था इधर देखता था, दोनों कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रहे थे. Then when he became, maybe around 8, 9, 10 months or whatever, when करने लगा था उधर, so he would sit here, and I still remember one thing, which I think I told you that day. There is a process called photo montage in Photoshop. If there is a building and I want to put a tree in front, and I have forgotten to put a tree in the 3D rendering, so मैं एक झाड़ का एक मैं ये ले लूंगा, या आदमी रखना है तो आदमी का मैंने clip art जैसे बोलते हैं ना, so you get you put it over there, and then you scale it up and down to something like that. So when you bring it here, depending on iska proportion, the human. So in this a building, I still remember I had drawn a human, and that human was so big. So he said, "मुझे तो छोटा कर, so over times that's what I was telling you yesterday. You are born and brought up in a studio only. तो तेरे को अंदर आना ही है वो, because he's though he's in final year, the way he interprets things architecturally or analyzes. Now I've been teaching for 30 years, so I know what student ka mental level is there. So I tell him it's not because you're my son or something, but I genuinely tell him you are of some good level, so make use of it. So वैसे your daughter is also ऐसा कुछ तो ऐसा करे अभी कहीं हो. So anyway, so basically if you want to find out incidences, so like Shruti what you're saying, so if your dad was unwell in a specific month, that month का first of all वो वर्ष कुंडली बनाना पड़ेगा तुमको. So let's say you are 24, तो 24 का वर्ष कुंडली बनाओ और वो वर्ष कुंडली का सन का कंपोनेंट है वो सेकंड मंथ मिलाओ इफ इट इज सितंबर, एंड देन बाकी का कंप्लीट ट्रेन उसके पीछे हटाओ. All of you clear on this? Okay, all of you clear? So basically what I want you to do is, please understand one thing. I will share the template with you, but that template is not important. That master template I've given you, where all
Yes.
that is going to be your savior. Okay. Now what you have to do is, हाथ से भी बनाओ तो भी चलेगा. Like before I made a template, I have done everything like this only. I don't know whether you can see, but it doesn't matter. So basically कैसे है, एक कुंडली बनाओ जो तुम्हारा राशि कुंडली हो गया, दूसरा बनाओ जिसमें तुम्हारा वर्ष कुंडली बना है, और तीसरा तो ये मंथ का है. अभी ये मंथ तो खत्म होने का है, फिर भी ये मंथ का बनाओ और 2-3 दिन तो है, और अगले मंथ का भी बनाओ. Okay, then with a red pen or something, put a dot on bad houses. Prithibem, that table, which planet is bad in which house, उसको टिक करो. Then you correlate it to the master table. Let's call it a master template only, जिसमें वो मैंने directions दिया है north, south, east, west. और वो जाके देखो. अभी this month is over, so in fact this will be a good exercise. ये month में क्या क्या हुआ roughly तुमको मालूम है. पेट बिगड़ गया, headache हुआ, ding dong, whatever it is. तो वो देखो whether that planet का item is in that direction in your house since the last 1 month. And then try to relate the planet with the house with your issue. That is the second thing. But since the month has already gone and it is just fresh in your mind, you will remember that. बिजनेस रिलेटेड कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, रिलेशनशिप रिलेटेड कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, फिजिकल इलनेस की वजह से कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, चोट लगा, टिंग टोंग, पैसा आया, ये व्हाट इट इज, पैसा आया नहीं आएगा बिकॉज वी आर लुकिंग एट द नेगेटिव प्लैनेट्स, बट व्हाटएवर, बीमारी आ गया, कुछ समथिंग व्हाटएवर हैपेंड. हाँ, ऋषिकेश सर.
You are saying this month is over, 2-3 days remain. कसं काय? आता for me, 11th December, so 11th December to 10th January will be 1 month, right?
Yeah.
I just wanted.
Yeah, correct, you're right. Sorry, for me it is it no, मेरे लिए भी और 10 दिन है, 10th को है.
So, Manish, why can't we do this exercise with the good planets? Like, you know, we are finding out the bad planets and preventing, we are doing. Why can't we do the exercise ulti? Do search the good planets in this month and give positive impact to them.
तो बुरा होगा उसको कौन टक्कर देगा?
हाँ,
बुरा
जो बुरा होगा,
बुरा जो हो रहा है या हुआ है या होने वाला है, उसको कौन टक्कर देगा? अच्छा, अच्छे को भले करते करते नीचे से ना ये जड़ ही कट जाएगा तो फायदा क्या?
Okay.
That's why I said.
अच्छा प्लैनेट्स तो पॉजिटिव हिट्स देने ही वाला है, so
नहीं, उसको
that
बढ़ा
will not
सकते
be
हैं
a
ना.
problem.
See, if it is giving only 10%, we can increase it to 50%, 80%, right?
What he's saying is
That
correct.
way.
What Rashmi is saying is correct, but I don't think you remember what I said around maybe half an hour back. He, there will be a, I said activation and all that said. So just now, जो बुरा हुआ है उसको तो पहले कंट्रोल कर लो. भला जो हो रहा है वो भले 100% नहीं हो रहा है, 20% हो रहा है, पर एटलीस्ट भला तो हो रहा है, तो उसको तो रहने दो. जो बुरा हो उसको जड़ से निकाल दो ना. Then a time will come when you can do both. बुरा जड़ से निकालो और अच्छा उसको एनहांस करो. That's why I always keep saying that what is bad, you don't repeat it. Whatever is good, you build upon it, enhance it. You know, before I got into astrology, I used to always tell, it was my philosophy, and I used to tell my students or my friends or people who ask me for advice, that basically there is something called, you know, in Bhagavad Gita, there is something called Prasad Buddhi. Long back, around 20 to 30 years back, I used to attend one person, I forgot his name, Ram Mohan Ji karke ek aadmi the, Ram Mohan Ji. He used to give every Sunday lecture on Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita. So that time he had said that there is something called Prasad Buddhi, कि जो भी आता है वो भगवान से प्रसाद समझो और accept करो. But I am not the type to accept anything blindly. Even if God gives me, I will analyze it. So मेरा उससे एक corollary निकला उसमें से. What I said was कि whatever you get, see they say whatever you do उसका reaction आएगा वो ठीक है. Okay. So whatever comes, you accept it as a prasad from the Almighty. Okay. But if you just keep it like that, no, I feel that you are a dumb person, you are a spineless person. So जो भी प्रसाद आया उसको analyze करो. अगर अच्छा हुआ तो capitalize on it, build on it. अगर बुरा आया तो don't repeat it. That is something which is sensible, you know. And if something bad has happened, and you know you sort of accept it, then when good happens, now you actually appreciate it. नहीं तो अपन good को ना कीमत नहीं देते. That's why I always, you know, that saying is there, no, कि every cloud has a silver lining. That I feel is a dumb statement. Because if you don't experience the black cloud, you will never be able to appreciate the silver lining. ये ध्यान में रखो. So that's why जो अपने को सब अच्छा ही होता था ना जिंदगी में, तो किसी भी चीज का कीमत ही नहीं रहता था. एक बार फटका मिल गया ना, तो फिर उसका कीमत मालूम पड़ता. You know, that's why it is very important to appreciate. That's why Rashmi, to answer your question, जो भी छोटा मोटा भी अच्छा हो रहा है ना, उसको 100% करने का ठीक है, that is the thing. But at least जो 20% भी मिले उसका तो भी नसीब, मतलब we have at least got these basic things to stay. There are people who are on the road who don't even have a छत on their head, and here we are crying कि मेरे पास AC मेरा नहीं चल रहा, मेरा पंखे के चार पे मेरे को सोना पड़ता रात को. अरे there are bloody people on the road who are dying of heat stroke over here. You know, वो अहमदाबाद and all that, that loo and all चल रहे थे, उधर वो लोग पागल हो रहे हैं. यार अपन AC नहीं है और ये मेरे नौटंकी कर दे. This is some philosophy of mine. I've got few philosophies on which I live. This is one of them. So answering your question, which Shruti and Rashmi, both of you intermittently answered, is अभी फिलहाल document करो. Don't try to go for remedy. The only remedy that you are going to do is वो planet का वो item उधर से हटाओ. If after doing that you have the strength and energy and capacity to point out the good this thing planets and enhance them, very good. Then suppose, let us say, Rashmi, to help you with that, let us say 6, 7, 10 में सन बैड है, 1 में सन गुड है. क्यों? उसका पक्का घर भी है, उच्च का भी है, बराबर. तो समझो तुम्हारा सन फर्स्ट हाउस में आया, जैसे मेरा भी है सन फर्स्ट हाउस में आया. नाउ दैट यू आर सेइंग अभी मेरा दिमाग चलने लगा, नहीं तो मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं आया था. तो व्हाट आई शुड डू इज, फर्स्ट हाउस इज व्हाट, ईस्ट. तो मैंने कल जाके ईस्ट में सूर्य का सामान उधर रखना है, तांबे का कुछ मेरे पास बर्तन रहेगा तो आई विल कीप दैट थिंग ओवर देयर. सो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, आई एम पुटिंग सूर्य का आइटम in the direction of that thing which is there. So I'm enhancing the sun. So if sun gets enhanced, my energy, my body, my health, my general overall aura is increased. ऐसे करो, पहले बुरे को तो हटाओ, फिर अच्छे को बढ़ाओ. Any other question? Do you all still have the energy to discuss the 54th? Abhi chal, bol Shruti.
So, as per this month, my Ketu is in the 8th house.
Okay. So it will
पर
be.
मेरे को कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ? अरे बाबा होना ही चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं. अरे बाबा नहीं हुआ तो भगवान का लाख लाख शुक्र मानो. See, 1 minute. एक मिनट. I'll tell you. Ketu is in-laws. 8th house is house of in-laws. Did your mother or in-law, father-in-law have any sort of anything happen to them? Any छोटा मोटा accident or बीमारी or any PPF का पैसा आने का था या हेरिडिटी पैसा आने का था, वो नहीं आया था, समथिंग लाइक दैट?
कुछ मालूम नहीं है.
छोड़ दो.
ठीक है. और सन और जुपिटर, अभी राहु इज इन द फर्स्ट हाउस. देन
So Rahu in the first house is bad, बरोबर. Rahu is sitting in the sun का house. Sun is Surya. So Rahu Surya का ग्रहण. So you look after your health. It can do some this thing related to government. Sun is government. Sun is father. Sun is your health and your own vitality and everything. Your immunity.
okay, there is one more question. So Mercury has moved to the second house. It's good in the second house.
Mercury.
Now second house, huh?
Mercury in second house, you said, no? Second house, it is not bad. It is not anything exalted, but it is not bad.
Huh. So there are a lot of arrears that were left. College was just yet to give me arrears. They gave it this month.
So your Mercury has gone to second house, you said. So Mercury is also your business in a sense, in a way income also. Second house is the banking. If you remember, second house is the house of family, it's the house of banking. Second house में Mercury is not bad, it is good. This is how you need to sort of, draw parallels. Because आया वो तो अपन, अरे बाबा आया वो, अरे पर क्यों आया वो तो देखो. Then a time will come, अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो उसको कैसे टैकल करने को वो ध्यान में आ जाएगा. So what I would suggest is, you all tomorrow morning, or if possible now when it is fresh, if you work fast, it actually takes 4 or 5 minutes. 10 minutes अगर if you can dedicate, all of you will make your Varsh Kundli, make your Mahina Kundli, ये जो महीना चल रहा है. And what Rishikesh said is correct. Maybe it slipped my mind in telling you that my Mahina will be from 10th of March to 9th of April. Then from 10th of April to 9th of May. वैसे तुम्हारा देखो. So my month is still on till 9th of April. I was thinking 3 days are left. It is not 3 days. I've got another 10, 12 days now. Okay.
So Manish, we are both in March, right?
Yeah, बरोबर.
Just 2 दिन का फर्क है. So now मेरा मार्च में 67th year start हो गया. I was just telling you 66 ना, वो मेरी mistake हो गई.
वो हिसाब से you can do that.
Right. So now according to that 67th year, whatever it is, if I want to see for the month of, let's say, June, March, April, May, June, correct?
4th house में डालना है. सन का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है, फर्स्ट आप आपका वर्षफल बनाओ.
हाँ, वर्षफल में सेवेंथ हाउस में फर्स्ट हाउस में 7 नंबर लिखा है.
वो छोड़ दो. वो छोड़ दो. आपका अभी जो भी मेन आपका जो कुंडली है, दिस इज योर कुंडली व्हिच इज देयर विद मी.
राइट.
अभी वो आपका लग्न कुंडली है.
यस.
उसको भूल जाओ. उसको भूल जाओ मतलब भूल मत जाओ. बट वो जो 67 का जो टैबुलेशन आया है, जैसे अभी ऋषिकेश
Our sun is also in the first house, no?
इन द लग्न चार्ट, मेन चार्ट. एक मिनट अदर था एक बोल. तो अभी आप 67th ईयर का जो लाइन में जो आ रहा है आपके,
उसमें 7 नंबर आ रहा है फर्स्ट हाउस में.
नहीं, अच्छा फर्स्ट हाउस में 7 आ रहा है.
हाँ.
फर्स्ट हाउस का प्लैनेट इज गोइंग टू 7th हाउस, सो योर सन इज गोइंग टू ट्रैवल टू द 7th हाउस. तो वो जरा यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल बिकॉज़ दैट इज debilitated over there. That is okay. But where is your 1 minute? Where is your 9th house thing going? If that is coming to 1, then it's very good. 9 का 9 की
12th को जा रहा है.
9th को 12th को जा रहा है.
हाँ, शनि 12वें जा रहा है.
तो वो 1-8 का टक्कर बनता है. शनि एंड सैटर्न एंड सन का 1-8 का टक्कर बन गया ना, because the sun has gone to the 7th house and Saturn has gone to the 12th house. So Saturn is hitting sun by the 8th aspect. 12th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if you understand, you know. So basically sun and Saturn. So skin ka problem, Venus related problem. So just that is all, nothing is a problem.
Yeah, no, my question was that suppose now this Varsh, I understood Varsha. Now let's say I want to make the month. Let's say I want to make for June. March, April, May, June. 7, 8, 9, 10.
आपका सन जो 7th हाउस में है, वो सन you will put in the 4th house.
अच्छा, backwards जाने का है.
Wherever, you just move it to the 7th. 1 minute, I'll do it for you. Just give me 1 minute. I'll do a demo on here. वेरी रफ बना रहा हूँ तो गंदा दिखेगा सबको.
Are you talking or I'm not able to hear you? What is it? Hello?
I'm not saying anything. I'm just making this chart to explain Preeti Ben kaise.
I'm not able to hear you. Should I log in again? I'm not able to hear you.
We can hear you.
I can. Your speaker might be a problem. Speaker. You can't hear me. कोई नहीं है. Rest of you can hear, no?
Yes.
Just see what I can.
Give me 2 minutes. I'll log in again.
Okay. अभी आपका वर्षफल में क्या आ रहा है? फर्स्ट हाउस में क्या आ रहा है?
67 इसमें 7 नंबर आ रहा है फर्स्ट में.
फर्स्ट हाउस का 7 जा रहा है ना, तो आपका सन. ओके, फिर आपका थर्ड हाउस किधर क्या दिखा रहा है?
एक मिनट है, मुझे ये करना पड़ेगा.
ऋषिकेश नंबर 67 मतलब
5 नंबर इन सेकंड हाउस.
नहीं 1 मिनट. सेकंड के लाइन ऋषिकेश अनम्यूट कर. 67 मध्ये
Second is 5.
सेकंड इज 5. मार्स इधर आ गया. ओके, नाउ फिफ्थ का क्या आ रहा है?
Fifth house का
सॉरी सर, थर्ड का क्या आ रहा है? थर्ड का
11.
थर्ड का 11.
11.
1 का 7 है इधर. 2 I don't want. Third is
11.
then 5 is fifth house is
10.
Seventh house is
First.
ninth house is
12th.
and 11th house is
8th.
and 12th house is
2nd.
okay. Prithiben, this is your Varsh Kundi. बरोबर?
Okay.
Chukla, wait. I just missed it. Wait. 67, na?
Hmm.
So you wanted first is 7,
First is 7th, okay.
second is 5th,
Second of the third,
11th,
okay. Then fifth one,
10,
7th one,
9, 2, 3.
7,
first.
and 9,
एक मिनट 12.
No.
बराबर 9th is 12th, शनि आ गए नहीं आ रहे
9 is
And
12.
second.
एक just give me one. Just give me one. Prithiben 67 running, you're saying, no?
Yes. Eighth March.
Yeah. ये आपका उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट है. This is your extract, okay?
Hmm.
तो फर्स्ट हाउस गया 7th में,
Hmm.
सेकंड में कुछ नहीं आपका, थर्ड
हाँ.
है वो 11th में गया, तो मार्स गया 11th में, बराबर.
Okay.
फोर्थ में कुछ नहीं, फिफ्थ में जुपिटर 1 2
Ketu.
फिफ्थ में जुपिटर 10th में गया, ओके.
Hmm.
सिक्स्थ में कुछ नहीं, सेवेंथ का है वो फर्स्ट में गया, तो मून उधर गया, बराबर.
Hmm.
कुछ नहीं है, नाइन्थ का सैटर्न 12th में गया, बराबर.
हाँ.
फिर आपका 10th में कुछ नहीं है, 11th
11th.
वो 8th में गया, तो राहु 8th,
हाँ.
एंड जो 12th का था वो सेकंड में, बराबर है. ऋषिकेश बराबर है, छुट्टियां नहीं है. तो दिस इज योर Prithviben, दिस इज योर
Varshafal.
Varshfal, okay. Now let us make your Mahina Kundi. अब ये महीना कुंडली में आपका जो सन का कॉम्बो है, ओके, तो विच मंथ यू वांट टू सी? जून यू वांट टू सी?
Let's say example.
सो अभी मार्च का आपका चल रहा है, सो
हाँ.
अप्रैल मई जून, फोर्थ मंथ. तो ये सन है ना, ये फोर्थ हाउस में लेके जाने का.
March, April, May, June. Okay. Okay.
फर्स्ट मंथ, सेकंड मंथ, थर्ड मंथ, फोर्थ. अभी
हाँ.
लग के डायरेक्टली राहु आया तो राहु इधर आया, फिर एक छोड़ के जुपिटर केतु का कॉम्बो है, ये आ गया. इमीडिएटली उसके बाद में मार्स आया, इमीडिएटली उसके बाद में सैटर्न है, इमीडिएटली उसके बाद में मून है, इमीडिएटली उसके बाद में ये आया. उसके बाद में 2 3 4 छोड़ के सन है, 1 2 3 4 के. तो ये आपका दिस इज योर जून का,
Understood.
जून 21 का ये है.
Like this way we can make for every month.
So अभी now again on this only if you have to analyze. अभी आपका all of you just pay attention because then you will understand होगा. Let's say ये वर्षफल है, this is your वर्षफल, right? अभी इसका एक एक मून इधर ठीक है, मून इधर खराब नहीं, मून इधर खराब है, so मून इज ओके. मर्क्यूरी भी इधर ठीक है, because मर्क्यूरी इज 3 8 9 12. वीनस 169, ये भी ठीक है. सन इधर खराब है, ये सन हाउस में, ये जुपिटर इधर दिख रहा है, ये भी खराब है, इधर आ रहा है। राहु इधर अच्छा है तो ये खराब हो गया, बरोबर। केतु ये फीट जैसा है तो दिस ओके। मार्स 4-8 का ये ओके। सैटर्न यहाँ से करो तो दिस ओके। सो फॉर दिस ईयर जुपिटर, सन एंड राहु are giving bad results for this year. Okay. Now if you see this महीना को भी सन इधर नहीं है तो ये ठीक है, राहु ये छोड़ के इधर है तो राहु खराब है, जुपिटर ये लाइन में तो ये खराब है, केतु ये जो ड्रैगन फीट है तो ये इस ओके, मार्स 4-8 में खराब रहता तो ये खराब है, बरोबर। सैटर्न इधर खराब है तो ये ठीक है, मर्क्यूरी 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 तो मर्क्यूरी खराब है, Venus 169 तो मर्क्यूरी ठीक है। So basically for this month Rahu, Jupiter, Mars and Venus, this will be bad. Now if you see for this month ये कौन से घर में आ रहे हैं? So this if you see this is east wall. This is east wall. Okay. ईस्ट वॉल पे राहु का कुछ आइटम होना नहीं चाहिए। ये अगर देखो तो दिस बिकम्स योर साउथ वेस्ट। सो साउथ वेस्ट में जुपिटर का आइटम होना नहीं चाहिए। ओके ये आपका साउथ वॉल हो गया। सो साउथ वॉल पे मार्स का आइटम कुछ होना नहीं चाहिए। और ये आपका हो गया वेस्ट वॉल। तो वेस्ट वॉल के ऊपर कुछ होना नहीं चाहिए। एंड एज अ रूल फॉर द एंटायर ईयर अगर ये देखो तो दिस इज योर वेस्ट, ओके, दिस इज योर साउथ वॉल and this is your southwest. This is your south wall. So basically for this year, आपका in your 10th house, which is your west, Jupiter related item should not be there. In the southwest, sun related item should not be there. And in the south wall. Rahu related item.
Okay.
This is how you all should do your chart analysis. All of you understood?
Yes.
Actually एक दो बार ऐसा करो ना तो वो दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा। वो unless you do it physically, you not do it. If you want, okay, we can do one exercise. Maybe it has become too burden for you. I don't mind meeting for half an hour tomorrow if you want at 8 o'clock or whatever, only for half an hour. And we'll only do this exercise कि everyone do their own charts. बराबर? उसके लिए क्या तैयारी करके रखो ना कल, because then we will not waste time in the preliminary thing. All of you keep 3 kundalis drawn. Red sketch pen से कुंडली बनाओ 3. एक के नीचे लिखो राशि चार्ट, एक के नीचे लिखो वर्ष फल और एक के नीचे लिखो मार्च। ओके सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर बर्थडे, सो माय मंथ विल बी 10th March to 9th April. प्रीति बेन्स विल बी 8th March to 7th April. तुम्हारा जो भी डेट है, सपोज तुम्हारा डेट 21 है तो 21 मार्च से 20 अप्रैल विल बी योर मंथ। तो ये तैयार रखो। सो योर बेसिक दिस थिंग शुड बी रेडी। क्या लग्न चार्ट शुड बी रेडी विच ऑल ऑफ यू नो बाय हार्ट। उसके नीचे एक ब्लैंक कुंडली बनाओ, उसके नीचे वर्ष फल लिखो, उसके नीचे एक बनाओ ब्लैंक कुंडली जिसके नीचे तुम्हारा जो मंथ ये है चालू है, which month is going into bracket you write down. So fellow who's January born, like Turti will be, this will be the 3rd month for her. For Preeti Ben and me, it will be the 1st month for you. For Shruti, August is the September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 7th month is going on. So August है ना? August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 8th. So 8th month. So 8 into bracket जो भी डेट है वो लिखो, इतना तैयार करके रखो। एंड तुम्हारा जो भी रनिंग ईयर है उसका जो जैसा हाउ आई मेड इट, ऐसा एक पट्टी उसके नीचे लिख के रखो। मेक 13 डिविजन्स। फर्स्ट डिवीजन में योर रनिंग ईयर लिखो, फिर एक के नीचे क्या है, 2 के नीचे टन 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 सब लिखो। एंड देन वील डू द फुल एक्सरसाइज एंड देन वील फिल अप द सेकंड चार्ट एंड थर्ड चार्ट एंड देन द डायरेक्शंस के हिसाब से वी विल मेक एनालिसिस। टुमारो इफ यू आर ओके 8 o'clock we'll meet, 8 to 8:30 or 8 to 9 we'll make a master chart and then you all can do your
Yes.
I'll join in little late if possible. I final submissions tomorrow.
Tomorrow 8.
What time you want to come to?
I'm not sure what time, but 8:30 tak probably I can join night. I have WT final submissions on my class tomorrow.
Then 8:30 to 9:30 come something.
हाँ.
But then one shot, everybody does it. 8:30 you're okay, Shruti? Or will you?
Yes, yes.
All of you okay? So tomorrow 8:30 को मिलते हैं. I'll post this video.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
चलो.
हा तो मास्टर टेम्पलेट नाही पाठवलाय
PDF पाठवलं. परवाच पाठवलं PDF. So PDF is there on the group. You'll get.
You discussed about the 54,000. Sorry.
Hey Shruti, you were supposed to send it on the group. You never पाठवलं. Shruti, Pascal, I told you share it on the group and share that message of mine also, no?
No, I didn't do that because I thought you will do that.
I am not on the group. How will I send? You all threw me out of the group.
But now you're no, we didn't throw you out of the group. I thought you were going to come after the maskari kuskari thing.
मी काय असं स्वयंभू आहे काय असं कुठेतरी जागृत झालो असं आलो एकदम व्हॉट्सअप मध्ये नाही जागृत झालं यू टू गेट मी इन ओव्हर ओके आय विल सेंड इट
Okay, I'll forward it in a minute.
नाउ इट्स योर ड्यूटी यू फॉरवर्ड इट यू टेल
ते जे इयर वाईज जे हे आहे ते ऑलरेडी आपण आपल्याकडे आहेत का ते
अराउंड 3-4 days back I have shared that.
Yes.
One of you just do one thing. श्रुती तूच कर आता तुझ्यावरती पेनल्टी लिख तर हे जे मास्टर चार्टचं पीडीएफ आहे ते शेअर कर and that वर्षफलचं thing PDF which I have sent that put it together only. Nobody write anything on the group till you get both of them together. So it will be together. Till she sends both of it, don't write anything on the group. Okay, so send both of that and keep this chart ready. Tomorrow I don't want to waste time in making all those things. So your 3 kundalis should be ready, out of which first kundali is your lagna kundali which is filled up. Uske niche will be the Varsh kundali which will be blank. Uske niche there will be patti of these 13 slots. उसके नीचे there will be a blank कुंडली which will be a महीना कुंडली उसके अंदर कौन सा महीना है चल रहा लिखो और उसमें date to date लिखो. Are all of you clear? Then I will narrate one by one and you'll just keep doing.
Yes.
चलो. Okay then. Bye. Good night.
Thank you.
थँक यू
Thank you.
I've just forwarded both the things on the group. Please check.